Hello everyone, I am going to start free training on AZ-300 Azure Architect Technologies. So whosoever wants to crack this certificate or wants to learn new things related to the cloud, then that person should watch my playlist of AZ-300. And now let's try to understand what all are the skills measured in AZ-300. So there are, this course is divided into 5 categories. So first category is related to the deployment and configuration of infrastructure. So in these certificates most of the questions are asked from these topics, and the next one is the implement workload and security, and create and deploy app and implement authentication and secure data and develop for the cloud and for Azure storage. So we'll take one by one things and cover each and every topic. So okay, let's try to cover the first topic now: deploy and configure infrastructure. If you took this topic, deploy and configure infrastructure, so there are again 6 to 7 category in which we have divided. So in these topics we are going to cover create and configure Azure resource group. The first topic we will see, and the second one is the create and configure Azure monitoring capability using Azure Alert, Azure Activity Log, and or Log Analytics. Third one is create or configure Azure storage, where we can have a number of storage account types, and and then each account will have a separate capabilities. Create or account virtual machines, create or configure virtual networking, in which we will see the front door, the VNet, and each and everything, whatever the topics related to the networking. Create or configure serverless. Here in this things we'll check the Azure functions, or we can say the serverless things. If you look for the AWS, in the AWS you will have a AWS Lambda, where we have a Azure function in the Azure cloud, Azure Logic App, Service Bus, Event Grid. So these are the topics which we'll see in the serverless things. Okay, so let's try to cover one by one topics in this series. So first we'll start with the create or configure Azure resource group. So okay, so we'll see in the next video how to do the configuration in Azure resource group, or how to create the Azure resource group.